Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my first pumpkin recipe for this season, and I'm very excited. Since I am in my kind of quiche and tart era right now, we're gonna continue with that theme. So you want to start some flour and put that in a bowl, and then you want to add some salt and some butter and some water as well. I used 3 tablespoons. You could use a little bit more. And then you want to knead that into an even dough and put that in a fridge for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and cut down your pumpkin. You want to remove all the seeds in the middle, and then the horrible part is grating it. When that is done, you want to cut down an onion as well as the smoked tofu. Then you want to take a pan and you want to heat up some oil. You want to put in the tofu and the onion for a minute, and when that starts to get hot, you want to also put in the grated pumpkin, and you want to let that sit for a couple of minutes while you do the next step on medium heat. You want to take some cream cheese in a bowl. You want to add your sour cream or creme fraiche and the eggs. You want to give that a good mix. Then you want to add salt, pepper, nutmeg, and rosemary. And you want to pour that mixture into the pan with the pumpkin. You want to take that off the heat before you add in the sauce. Now, last step, you want to knead the dough again and then spread it out in your tin, and then you can pour the pumpkin mixture in, distribute it evenly, and bake with 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. I hope you give this a try. It was very delicious, perfect for pumpkin season, and yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye!